Hey, welcome back to Introduction to Engineering Design. This is Module 7.4, Part 2, and we are working on Subassembly 4, putting together a T9 wheel and a T9 tire. And the reason we're doing this is because in our final assembly, what we want to do is we want to have a model of sub-assemblies, and the wheel and tire assembly occur 4 times within the model. So if I make a sub-assembly, I only have to drop that in 4 times versus dropping in 4 wheels, 4 tires, and doing the mate 8 times. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So I'm going to go ahead and make my wheel the base part. So I'm going to go in and go New, Assembly, OK, browse to my folder, and find my T9 wheel. There it is. Open that. I'm just going to orient it just for convenience sake because I like to look at it in this direction. Click my check mark to place it at the origin. And then I'm going to insert my tire. Browse, same folder, T9 tire. And I'll place that just by clicking and dropping it. So you're going to notice that this tire fits on that rim, and there's a lot of different ways you can do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a concentric mate. So I'm going to use the concentric feature of the tire, the inside shape of the tire here. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it's face 1 of the tire, and I'm going to make it concentric with the edge of the rim. You'll notice that it chooses concentric. And on this particular one, I'm going to lock the rotation when I put it on there, meaning that now this tire can move back and forth, but it can't rotate. Now it's very simple to fully constrain this basically by lining up the front edge. Now I could also do a few other things. I could try a plane mate, so let's look at the tire and see what planes are available. Oddly enough, there is no center plane in that. Well, we could do the right plane and the right plane. So I'm going to go ahead and view my right plane and my right plane. View planes. And you'll notice that I could mate these 2 planes, make them coincident, and that would fully define my tire, and then turn off the planes. Alternatively, I could have mated this face of the tire and that face of the rim. You'll notice that error message pops up just because it says, hey dummy, that's already fully defined. So there's my tire. I'm going to save this as Subassembly 4. I called it Tire Subassembly, but we'll call it Subassembly 4. And that's making the tire. Thanks for watching. Next up, we're going to put the whole